Pain is being felt in a different way by each person. No matter the difference, it's a situation familiar to everyone and can easily trigger the compassion of the social environment. It's not just physical sensations, it's something more complex beyond this. Pain is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience involving both psychological and neurological factors. You don't have to hurt in order to feel pain. Pain is divided into three main categories. Acute pain is a result from disease, inflammation, or injury to tissues. Chronic pain represents disease by itself. In phantom limb pain, despite the absence of the limb, brain neurons related to it are still active and thus can be triggered. Today, pain is a universal disorder and a serious public health issue. It affects a large proportion of population and also has an impact on their social relationships. Moreover, pain is an issue of major cost since billions of dollars are spent per year for unrelieved pain. Above all, we are facing a new challenge, a new global medical and social emergency. How could we overcome this challenge? We propose Epione, an innovative pain management solution. Epione derives from the ancient Greek word Epione, who was the goddess of the soothing of pain, the wife of the medicine god Asclepios. Epione could be an effective tool in the hands of both patients and physicians. Specifically, patients with the use of Epione are assisted in order to ease their suffering, manage their pain handling, and increase their quality of life. As for the physicians, they can easily monitor the pain status and the progress of patients, interact with them anytime is needed, and create or review personalized and adaptive therapy scenarios based on the personalized healthcare. Our approach has taken into account the user-specific needs for fully individual customization. Furthermore, improved social interactivity was achieved through efficient user-friendly interface. System architecture is based on three pillars, placing at the center the patient, the physicians, and the social networks respectively. All these are connected through the Epione's client-server design, providing a series of means for modular interaction towards pain management. Let's take a closer look to the 5 system components. Let's start with Epione's PC application. Epione PC application is the main pain management environment. While the patient is inside the 3D vault, not only he can interact and communicate with his friends, but he can also follow therapeutic scenarios through physician's guidance. Pain level estimation is done by advanced image processing of facial expression tracking, and distraction is offered when needed by touring inside Bing 3D maps. We move on with Epione biofeedback system. The biofeedback system involves nerve excitation through current in order to alleviate pain. TENS activate gate control or acupuncture stimulations either by setting the gate against pain signals or provoking brain release of pain-relieving chemicals such as B-endorphin. Epione's Pocket PC application follows. Epione Pocket PC is a handful progress monitoring tool for physicians. It offers access in statistical data and history of pain level and alarms of a patient during a given therapy task. We continue with the Phantom Limb Pain application. Phantom Limb Pain Extension is a novel augmented reality-based application. Missing limb is not reconstructed from the mirror, but it totally interacts autonomously with the environment. patient can perform a variety of tasks inside the vault to enhance imagery interaction in a more experiential way. The last component is Epione Server application. Epione Server stores all the necessary data for user identification. It also stores the contents of patients' characteristics, social profile, log files from therapy tasks, and performs adaptation through web services hosting. The latter are organized in a way that support procedures interaction and data updating between all peers connected to Epione. Epione uses most advanced technologies like Visual Studio 2010, .NET Framework 4. We will now demonstrate a demo including 3 different user scenarios that will enlighten us with Epione's architecture and enhance its functionality. In the first scenario, imagine Mike, who has been fighting lung cancer for the last years. He initializes his profile according to his personal interests and specific needs, and he logins to Epione. Friends from the social networks that he uses all of a sudden appear in front of him inside the vault. During his interaction with the Epione world, a self-monitoring algorithm estimates his current level of pain. As soon as pain is detected, Epione enables TENS biofeedback system, easing his pain. In the second scenario, imagine Matt, who suffers from phantom limb pain. Among the various activities during the everyday use of Epione, Matt can also follow his doctor's therapy task. So he wears the special AR glasses and tries to move the reconstructed missing limb above colored surfaces inside the vault, handling that way his severe pain. If, however, the latter doesn't draw back, Epione's distraction system starts up and Matt is being immediately redirected inside Bing Maps 3D and has a relaxing imaginary tour. In our last example, our fictionary user John is a doctor who has another patient, Tom, suffering from acute pain due to war-burn injuries. John connects to Epione via his mobile while Tom is also connected from his home. John reviews Tom's current therapeutic task and gathers information and statistics about his pain alarms. He suggests Tom to pay more attention to RSS feeds and change the vault's background to a snowy environment to increase distraction. Tom then successfully follows John's suggestions. From all the above, we can conclude Epione is an innovative system as it combines adaptive therapeutic scenarios with an intelligent computer vision algorithm for pain detection. Furthermore, Epione offers an augmented reality-based solution for phantom limb pain when the alternative of the mirror is in common use. Until now, pain management software used to refer to questionnaire analysis and patient's history data gathering. Epione makes a difference by using cutting-edge technology and fully personalized environment, which is closer to patients' needs. Epione's intelligence is hidden in the individual pain categorization combined with social behavior analysis, taking into account user gestures and interaction through modular interfaces. The universal character of pain management and the modular character of Epione allows its multicultural extension, introducing an innovative perspective with wide commercialization opportunities and innovative concepts. This is already appreciated by an institute association related to pain management. Epione sets a very promising future and embraces potential users and their feedback towards an effort to enrich its content and functionality, along with their social contribution.
I think it's really important to come to a point where you're friends with your pain, because otherwise you're fighting against yourself.
Even though his arm was amputated, the pain from the nerve endings makes it feel like it's still there.
I feel as if I'd like to go and cut it off again. That's how bad the pain gets. I'd like to cut it out. biofeedback, relaxation techniques, distraction techniques, meditation. That's mainstream pain management. We like every patient, if they have the skills to do it, to try to do cognitive approaches to bring the pain down and to get a sense of control.